Hello everyone, my name is Max. Today I want to present to you this small steam engine. It is a single-action engine with an oscillating cylinder, suitable for demonstrations or a run-simple boat. All the technical details are in the description of this video. I like it when the cylinder shaft is long. You can simply remove the piston by hand, wipe off excess moisture, lubricate it, and store it. Today we will disassemble, lubricate, and run this engine on compressed air. To fully disassemble it, we only need a small flathead screwdriver. The recess in the flywheel reduces the length of the engine. That's it. Let's reassemble it. For lubrication, I strongly recommend using the thinnest oil you can find. Thick oil robs power and doesn't work well at low pressure. I use oil for sewing machines. Semi-synthetic car motor oil takes away about half the power. You must leave a small gap between the flywheel and the engine casing when assembling. I use a strip of tin from a beer can. Let's start the engine on compressed air. Before the break-in, this engine used to start at no less than 10 psi, but now it starts and runs freely at 3 psi. Above 10 psi, stopping the shaft with fingers becomes increasingly difficult. If you want to buy this engine, links on description. Thank you for watching. As they said in the cartoon, that's all, folks.